Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you know, in previous videos we will visualizing the data and we were doing some data analysis with the help of Tableau. So in previous videos I have shown you how you can create bar chart, how you can create text tables, or how you can create bubble chart. In today's video I'll be showing you some other charts like tree maps, and we will be exploring some other charts also. So first I will be importing my dataset, which is stored in my local file that is in my computer, and I'll be importing sample superstore. As you know, we are working on it, so I'll be opening it. It's gonna take some time. Okay, as you can see, it has forwarded me onto this new pane, and it has already imported the data for me. I have told you what connection means to us, and I have told you like why they are given here. Like if you want to connect two tables with each other, then you can use these other tables to connect with your primary table. It is giving me the preview of my data, like what are my variables, quantity variables, and what are my categorical variables. It is giving me everything. So moving on to the my sheet one. As you know, this is my worksheet. This is my worksheet in which we was working upon, and today we'll also be working on this. As I have told you, it is my visualization pane, it is my work card, and my column in rows, my filter, my pages. So let's see what are the chart option that Tableau gives us. Here we have 24 charts, and as I told you, today I'll be making tree map, and we will be analyzing our data with the help of tree maps only. So let's make our first tree map. First I will be seeing what is the segment, according to which segment how much profit it is generated for me, like which segment is participating with how much profit. So I'll be picking this pill and dropping onto the rows. Then I'll be picking my profit pill and dropping onto the column field. Okay, now it is giving me bar chart, but as I said, I don't want bar chart, I want tree map. So what I will do, I'll go there onto the show map, show me tab, and I'll click on it. I'll click on tree maps, and automatically it has adjusted my pills onto the mark card, and now it is showing me the tree map. Okay, so let's have some numerical figures also, like what are the exact number of profit that these segment are providing us. So we want them as a labels. What I will do, I'll just pick up this pill and drop onto the label, and it is giving me the labels also, like as you can see, the bigger the box, the higher the profit, the smaller the box, the lower the profit. So consumer is providing me the highest profit, and home office is providing me the lowest profit, following the corporate, that is 91,979. Let's give it a sheet name, which is profit by segments, and I'll be just making it bold, giving it a blue color, making it centrally aligned, applying the effects, and okay. Okay, so time to give it a nice border. Okay, now giving the same name to my sheet, that is profit by segments. Okay, so I have shown you how you can make tree maps. Now what if you want to categorize the data with the help of segments, like you get to know what are the segments that is providing us the most profit, but you also want to see like in which segment and according to which category is providing me the highest profit. So let me show you that also. What I will do, first I will drag segment onto the, or you can drag it anywhere you want, onto the rows. Then I will be dragging my categories again onto the rows field. Now as you can see, it has subdivided my segments according to the categories. Like in consumer category, it is showing me future, office supplies, technology. Same with corporate, and same with home office. So I want to see their sales, like how much sales we have done according to the subcategory divided by segments. So it is giving me the bar chart, and it is showing me that these are my profits. If you want to short this, like if you want to analyze this and want to short your data, short your graph, then what you can do, these buttons are given here, it is for sorting, and these both buttons are for sorting. It is for ascending and it is for descending your data. So I want to see them as descending. So now it is giving me my visualization, as it has sorted like technology is giving me the highest profit, so it has placed it on the top, and whichever category is giving me the lowest profit, it has positioned it on the bottom. Now I don't want to see bar graph, I want to see tree map. So what I'll do, I'll go on there, show me button, I will click on tree maps again, and it will automatically created the tree map for me. It has already or automatically adjusted the pills for me, and now I can see technology is giving me like I want to have concrete numbers. So I'll just draw my sales onto the label mark card, and now it is giving me the concrete number. So in technology you can see the consumer technology is providing me the in the sales, the highest sales is done in the segment of technology and in the category of consumer. Same with technology corporate, and then it is giving me the home office. So it has divided me according to the segments and categories. Now you can analyze that home office is has done the least sale or the lowest sale for us in office supplies. This is how you can make tree map according to your categories and your subcategories, like dividing your segments according to the subcategories. Now giving it a nice name, that is sales by categories. Okay, now giving it the I'm making it blue red color. Okay, so applying, making it bold, and then applying all the effects. Now giving it the border also. I'll go on there, choose this, and I will have my border. Okay, now the thing comes, if you want to format your tree map, suppose you want to change the color of your tiles and the color of your label. So what you will do, you will drag your mouse here, you will right left click, and you will have this option format in your menu card, and you will click on it. Okay, so it has shown me the sheet format font, like it is giving me the worksheet, pane, header, everything you want to change. So if you want to change the pane format, then what you will do, you will just go there, worksheet, it will change every every text format. I'll click on it, I will make it bold. Okay, it has given me the bold, so make it white only and making it bold, changing its color size to 10 and its font to be so making it to be giving it this format. Okay, so you can see I have changed the font of my whole worksheet, like it has changed this. Now what, suppose I want to change the color of my tiles, I don't want to see blue as my wall color. The least profit, the least sales have whichever category has provided me the least sales, or whichever category has generated the least sales for me, I want to give it the color of red, and whichever is on the top, or whichever category has made the highest sales, I want to give that high intensity blue color. So what I will do, I will go on color field, I will click edit colors, I'll choose my palette that is given here, and I will click on red blue diverging. Okay, and then applying. Okay, so now it has given me the different color palettes, which is the least that is home office has turned into high intensity red color, and the topmost, which is technology consumer, has turned into blue color. So now giving it the name to the sheet also. Okay, copying, paste, that is. So we have finalized and we have created our tree maps, and I have shown you how you can create by just one category, or if you want to divide your subcategories or categories by subcategories, then you can also do that, and you can create your tree map. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching our video.